Hi there. This is Sayed again. I'm the founder and CEO of GrowSnap AI. So in this demo, we're going to talk about the payment system, how you can automate the entire payment system with integrating with Stripe. So for many schools, admin managing payments is a major time thing. That's why GrowSnap AI includes a built-in billing system that automates lesson payments with ease. Let's walk through how easy it is for a parent to pay for their child's music lessons. Well, you have got plenty of options here. So let's say you wanna charge for pay per class, fee. For each class, you wanna charge upfront fee. So students or parents, cannot book any lesson until they pay for a class. So let me walk through this option right away. So let me pick any of these calendars. So let's go ahead with this, and I'm gonna edit it. So let's go to form and payment. So under this setting, so you see this option, the payment, configure payment option. So if you toggle this on and enter the amount of fee you wanna charge for this particular class. So let's say uh, $50 for example, and then if you want to accept the partial payment, you can also enable this option, and then you can also give a description here. So this is one time class fee for a guitar lesson with, let's say, Mike, for example, and everything was good. Let me just make myself here and then hit on save. So once you save it, and whenever any student or parent get a link to this calendar or this class booking, so they will not be able to book a class until they pay for this class. So let's see a live demo. So let's see, I want to book a class for tomorrow, probably let's say 7:30 p.m. just for, and let me put my name and last name, and the country would be United States. Let's say this number, say this email address, say guitar lesson. It is for myself. I'm just giving an example here. Let's say I'm a beginner. I want to receive the text messages, and then let's say on online, click OK, OK, and here you see the payment information. So until and unless I don't submit the payment details here, like card information. So it is not going to allow me to schedule this class. So this is one option you have. And the second option is you can continue to have them book the classes and then send them an invoice. So to send an invoice, you can go to the invoice section under this payment window, and then either you can create a template for all the invoices, or you can simply create a new invoice right away and then send like one-time invoice or the recurring invoice. If you want to create the recurring, let's say you want to send the recurring invoice daily or weekly or monthly or yearly, you can do that from here, or just one-time invoice. So in both cases, just click on let's see the recurring invoice option here. So this is where you add all your details here, your company name, your website, phone number, like all those details, and then here you select the customer, and then if you want to enable the tag, you just hit on automatically tag toggle on, and here you just add the product. So first you need to create the product based on the classes you offer, and then you will be able to add them here. So in this case, let me just try and add a sample product to be created for cancellation fee. And here you can update the price, the quantity, and you can also add the tag. Here you can just add the description. If you want to give them some discount, you can add the discount here. And since this is a recurring invoice, so you need to select how many what is the frequency for this invoice? So let's say daily, weekly. Let me just choose monthly in this example, and first Monday of every month, for example, kind of like that, or first date of every month. So you get the point. And the starting date would be, let's say, it's gonna applicable from Monday, and then you can choose the never end 10 invoice like 3 days in advance. And you also have an option to add the terms and conditions, charge late fees, also include the tipping options here. So basically, you get all the options to customize the invoice, and then you can schedule it, or just simply send it right from here. So that's the option number 2 for you. And the third option you have to automate the entire payment system is do it like a e-commerce way. So what I mean by, if you must have probably saw all our plans here, right? So if you click on any of these plans, so it will take you to a product page. So once you add it to cart and complete the checkout, then you will be able to book the classes. So regardless of if a class is a subscription based, that means it's a recurring class, or it's just the one time payment. In both cases, you can add something like this, like a store type, where parents can simply go there, choose the class they want to have for their children, and then simply check out. So once they check out, so based on the class type, if it's a recurring like a monthly basis or a yearly basis, then uh, it the system automatically charges them on the card they will put on the file. So this way, it you know uh, it streamline the complete or payment process, and also automated it. So this way, nobody has to go back and see who obviously who paid for the classes, who doesn't pay for the class. So now let's talk about the dashboard. So every invoice, the invoice already paid or not paid, draft, due, overdue, all these status you can see under the main dashboard here. So you can also, apply the filters here, invoice status or the payment mode. You can search the particular customer. You can add the date filter here, and you can also download uh, the complete data into your local system. This kind of automated payment system is something parents love it. In fact, 64% of parents prefer the automated integrated payment systems like this, because it is faster, safer, and more convenient for them. GrowSnap makes payments less thing for your team to worry about, giving your team more time to focus on what really matters, that is helping students grow through music.